Hello. Let's continue the few questions. Of course, few questions we did in the last videos for the application of the trigonometry, that is chapter 9. Okay. Let's continue the same work. First question today, I'll drop the question number 8 for you. According to our NCERT textbook, this question 8 is repeated two times, 2008 and 2011. That means, of course, it is a CBSE board question. Two times this question has been already asked, and there are the chances for the coming year. What does the question say, children? According to the NCERT textbook, given that a statue is fixed on a pedestal. A statue is fixed on a pedestal. I shown here BC as a pedestal and AB as a statue, and assumed D as a point of observation. A observer watch the base of the statue, that is top of pedestal, or you can say base of statue. Then he gets an angle of elevation. This is the line of sight, children. DB is the line of sight and DC is the horizontal line, right? Horizon. So the angle of elevation, it gives 45 degree. Clear? When an observer watch the base of the statue, or you can say top of the pedestal. Of course, top of the pedestal is the base of the statue. So he gets an elevation of 45 degree. And when he observe the top of the statue, that is point A, he gets an elevation of 60 degree. Two angle of elevation is given, children. One for the, of course, base of the statue, that is at point B, and he gets an elevation 45 degree. And another observation is at the point A, which is the top of the statue. So he gets an angle of elevation of 60 degree. So we have to find the height of the pedestal, that is BC, children. I marked everything over here. I'll drop the figure. See, BC is the pedestal. We assumed height as h. This we have to find out. AB is the height of statue, which is already given, children, 1.6 meter. And two angle of elevation we are getting, BDC 45 degree and angle ADC as a 60 degree, and angle BDC 45 degree, and D is a point of observation. Okay, from here the observer observes the point A and B, that is the top of the statue and the base of the statue, right? So simply we have to find here height of the pedestal, that is HBC. Okay, can we start now? Okay, let's work on this. See children, here we are getting the two right triangle. Of course, you will get here right angle, two right triangle we are getting, children, here. First we take in right triangle BCD, that is the smaller one, right, children? So in triangle BCD. Now see, children, BCD. Okay, children. Now see what you have to find and which side you have to connect. See here, opposite to 45, that is BC, you have to find. So of course this we have to include. And now two sides, BD and DC. So which side you will correlate with the BC, which will help you to find the BC, children? See, if you take BD, so see, in this triangle you are taking BD, and then in larger triangle DCA you will take AD, and both are unknown, so it will not help you to find the height BC. And if we take DC, children, that is the horizon line, so this DC horizon line will be common in both the triangle. Getting? In both right triangle, DC is common. So it will help you to find the BC easily. Right? So which two sides we will correlate? One which we have to find, and another which is common in both the triangle. That's it. Clear? So now see, children. So in triangle BCD, right triangle BCD, so we actually we want the relation in opposite and adjacent. So which ratio you will apply, children, here? Of course, tan define na opposite upon adjacent, that is perpendicular upon base, right? So I'll take, children, tan 45, right? Tan 45 degree, right, children? Tan 45 degree is what? Opposite upon adjacent or perpendicular upon base, that is BC upon DC, children, right? Now, what is the value of tan 45 if you go through the trigonometric table? Sin, cos, tan, sin cos 45 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. When you will divide, because tan is a ratio of sin and cos, root 2 cancel, you will get 1. So tan 45 is, children, here 1. So or you can write 1 upon 1. And see, BC is also unknown, which we dropped as H equal to DC upon DC, sorry. Then you do the cross multiplication. So what you will get, children, here? DC is equal to H. This is equation number 1, children. Clear? Okay. So how much we got DC? As a DC is equal to BC, which is equal to H, which we have assumed. Okay, children. Now you come to the another right triangle ACD. So now you will take, children, in triangle ACD, right, children? Now, what is the elevation here, children? 60 degree, and same trigonometric ratio you will apply, because you want the relation in opposite to the adjacent, because adjacent is common in both the right triangle. So tan of 60, children. Opposite is what here, children? AC. So you will write AC upon adjacent is same DC at it was earlier previous triangle. Now tan 60 root 3, children. If you want, you can write root 3 upon 1. AC is in two part, H plus 1.6. You can see in the figure, children. H plus 1.6. Upon DC. DC is what, children? H. See, everything I have dropped in the figure, so no need to write again and again. AC you will not write AB plus BC. It is understood. Everything is clear in the figure, because this drawing the figure by reading the statement carry the marks. I told you 1 or 1.5 marks. Remember it. Okay. Now do the cross multiplication, children. So what you will get here? Root 3h equal to h plus 1.6, children. Recollect the h on the same side, children. So what you will get? Root 3h minus h equal to 1.6, children. So what you will get? Root 3 minus 1, h you can take common, equal to what you will get, children, here? 1.6, right? So h equal to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1, children. Root 3 minus 1. Therefore, rationalize it. 1 point rationalizing factor for root 3 minus 1. Of course, root 3 plus 1. So you will rationalize it with root 3 plus 1 in numerator as well as denominator, children. So what you will get? 1.6 root 3 plus 1, okay, upon a minus b, a plus b, identity, algebraic identity, children, root 3 square minus 1 square. So what you will get? 1.6 in bracket root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 square 3 minus 1. So what you will get? 1.6 root 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1. That is 2. Right, children? Now, 2 1 are 2 and 2 8 are, of course, 0.8 you will get. And this must be the final answer, children, because root 3 value is not mentioned in the question, so we will not put root 3 value, right? Because according to NCERT instruction, if they mention the root value, then only we have to write, otherwise you will leave it as it is. Okay, children? So what is the h? What value we got here, children? We are getting the value of h. And what is the h, children, here? BC. And what is the BC here? Height of pedestal. So simply you will write the answer, children, here. Okay, height of pedestal, or you can write required height, है ना? Height of pedestal is equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter, children. Clear? Okay, so the concept is very much clear. Simply you read the question. First you show a pedestal, then you show a statue, then angle of elevation to the base of statue or top of pedestal 45 degree, and at the top of statue 60 degree. And simply you correlate the opposite side and the common side, that is the horizon side. Okay, so tan 45 opposite upon adjacent, so DC equal to BC H you got. Then tan 60 opposite complete AC, that is H plus 1.6 upon DC. DC is H, cross into, collect the H same side, take the H common, so you will get root 3 minus 1. So you will get 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1 as a H. Now rationalize it. Rationalizing factor for root 3 minus 1 will be what? Root 3 plus 1. So rationalize with root 3 plus 1. Okay, so you will get ultimately 0.8 of root 3 plus 1 meter is the required answer for the height of the pedestal. Okay, children, thank you.